everyone, it's Kat and welcome to my channel. Are you ready for spring? I am, and today I'm going to be sharing 5 spring makeup products for over the age of 50, and I can't wait to dive into this. So in case you're interested, then keep on watching. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Welcome to Cat's Eye Beauty. And if you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. I'm over 50 years old and I love testing out makeup and skincare products, everything from drugstore to high-end and everything in between. And today's video is super special because it's in collaboration with 7 other gorgeous women over the age of 50. Now this collaboration was brought together by Kimberly from Pretty Over 50. If you're not familiar with Kimberly, she is this stunning woman that tests out makeup, skincare, life hacks, fashion, everything the over 50 woman needs to know. So definitely check out her channel. I'll also list all the other ladies' channels down below in the description box. Each woman is unique that can offer something special to all of us. I hope you definitely check out their channels. It's a great way to find other YouTube creators who have the same thing in mind, aging gracefully, looking great while we do it, and being over the age of 50. So all these channels, you're bound to find something and someone that you can connect to. And without further ado, let's get into spring makeup. I love springtime, except for the pollen. I love spring because everything is coming alive, everything is in bloom, and all the colors are so bright and popping. So why not change up your makeup? I can't wait to dive into my 5 favorites. So let's get into it. My foundation I love for the spring is the Ordinary Serum Foundation. Now it retails for $6.70 and it comes in 21 shades. I actually picked it up at Ulta. Now what's unique about this formula, it has light to medium buildable coverage. It's a semi-matte finish, but it also resists caking and settling into your fine lines. There's something about the pigments that's supposed to suspend I'm not kidding. The pigments are suspended in a spreadability system that's supposed to look natural on the skin. It evens the look of your skin complexion as well as your texture. Now the first ingredient is cyclopentasiloxane, which is a form of silicone. I find in my experience that there's no need for a primer because the silicone is going to lay so smoothly on top of your complexion. It makes my skin look smooth. I don't see any fine lines. It's super easy to apply and I love just applying it with a dampened beauty sponge. I love how it's affordable and accessible. It gives my skin a natural glow and it's perfect for those no makeup days. And if you want to build it up, it's so easily buildable. But I absolutely love the Ordinary Serum Foundation. Perfect for springtime. Now, for a bronzer, I have absolutely fallen in love with the Tower 28 Bronzino. It is an illuminating cream bronzer and it comes in 2 shades. I'm in the shade West Coast, which is a medium bronze with neutral undertones. Now, at first I was a little leery because it is a cream bronzer. Not only is this bronzer beautiful, but it's also nourishing at the same time. It's infused with green tea extract as well as an antioxidant. It also contains mango butter, which is moisturizing and nourishing for healthy skin. Now it does contain mica like most bronzers do, but it's actually 100% mined in the US. But it adds such a beautiful glow. It's super easy to apply. You can just tap it on with your fingertips. What I actually love using is my IT Cosmetics brush from Ulta. Now these recently went on sale and I got it for half price for 11 bucks. It goes on super smooth. It's not splotchy. It's that perfect amount of warmth and glowiness that you need that doesn't look overdone. It stays put all day and it's so hydrating. What I love about this bronzer, it's not only beautiful, but it's also good for my skin and it gives me that natural sun-kissed look. But absolutely love the Tower 28 Bronzino Illuminating Cream Bronzer. For blush, I love that natural flushed look, and I do love using a cream or liquid blush, and this is no exception. One of my favorite blushes that I've been loving this springtime is the new ColourPop Cheek Dew Serum. Now it retails for $7 and it comes in 10 amazing shades. The shade that I used today was Psst. Psst. I always feel funny saying that. It's infused with hyaluronic acid as well as vitamin C and E to hydrate and nourish your skin. But it's super easy to apply. I love just putting a little bit on the back of my hand and then tapping it onto the apples of my cheeks. You can build up the pigment, or if you put too much on, you can always shear it out with your beauty sponge and get that beautiful flushed look. I've been experimenting recently, and I actually like putting it over the bridge of my nose just to have a more cohesive look, but I find it just adds that beautiful flush of color that we all miss from being younger. But who says you can't blush over the age of 50? I say I do all the time. But this just provides such a beautiful wash of color. You can build it up, you can sheer it out, and it's super affordable. And with all the shades that they have, there's so many beautiful, gorgeous shades. There's a shade for everyone. But absolutely love the ColourPop Cheek Dew Serum. Let's talk about eyeshadow. Now, I love a good, simple eye look. I love something that's easy and quick to put on, that's not gonna settle into my creases. And actually, I want the pigment to last all day long. So I have been enjoying the Rare Beauty Stay Vulnerable Liquid Eyeshadow. It is a liquid to powder eyeshadow that's so easy to apply. Now, it comes in 5 shades and it retails for $20. The first shade that I bought was the Nearly Neutral. It is a gorgeous everyday shade that you could just tap onto your eyelids and blend it out for that easy, quick look. Now, what I've been obsessed with recently is their Nearly Berry shade. It provides such a pop of color. It looks kind of dark at first, I ain't gonna lie, but you can easily diffuse it out with a brush or your fingertips. All you have to do is swipe it onto your eyelid and tap it out. What I love about this eyeshadow is that it's long lasting, it's buildable, it's quick, it's waterproof, and it's crease resistant. Now, I do have hooded eyes, and I find that this formula does not crease. The color lasts all day, and it has just a stunning pigment. But it's a beautiful formula that doesn't crease on my hooded eyes. Now, if I want to have just a hint of shimmer, not glitter, but just shimmer, I love going in with the Wayne Goss Shimmer Eyeshadow Palette. It's so finely milled, it's not chunky glitter whatsoever, and it just offers just a little bit of reflection. So when you look at your eyes, you can just see a little bit of that shimmer to catch that light. I find that this eye look is super easy, super fast, and like I said, if you want to give it that little extra special something, you can add just a little bit of shimmer on top of the lid and there's zero fallout. But I think it's so beautiful. But for me, I love the pop of color of pink. Now to our lips. I do love a juicy lip, but it's so difficult to find a good lip product that's not gonna feather, that's not gonna bleed, that's not gonna transfer. I've been loving the L'Oreal Shiny Lip Stain Lipstick. Now it comes in 12 shades and it retails for $11.99. Heck, you can find this anywhere. I don't know why nobody else is talking about this. It's such a great formula, especially if you have, those lines in your lips that tend to age us. It smooths my lips without showing all those lines, and it just feels like it's so hydrating. And I love the fact that it doesn't smear, run, or bleed, or feather. You know what I'm talking about. You put on a lipstick and the next thing you know, it's like bleeding into those fine lines, but this does not do that. I wouldn't say it's like a lip gloss or a true lipstick. The consistency is quite thin, but it has such great pigment. It's not sticky whatsoever. I find that it applies quite smooth and it offers such high shine and it's lightweight. But absolutely love the L'Oreal Shiny Lip Stain Lipstick. But yes, this is my monochromatic spring look. I am absolutely loving it. It's super easy. Everything was easy to apply. Everything is affordable and has definite lasting power. What do you think? So I hope you enjoyed my 5 spring makeup products for over the age of 50. And a special thank you again to Kimberly from Pretty Over 50 for bringing us together in this collaboration. I do hope you check out the other ladies' channels, Mel's Makeup and Style, Mrs. Melissa M Beauty, Tamara's Timeless Beauty, Lisa Monique Beauty, Kathy's Easy Beauty, and Mindful Midlife. What a great bunch of women. Definitely, please check out their channels. But in my next upcoming video, I'm going to be testing out a tinted moisturizer, perfect again for spring, as well as a skincare device. And I can't wait to share that with you. So if you haven't subscribed yet, please do. I would love it if you would be a part of my family. And for foundation reviews, check out the playlist down here. And for skincare reviews, check out the playlist up here. But for now, mahal kita, I love you, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye. I think that's a wrap. Ooh. Is it a little much? Okay. Now, it looks kind of scary at first, but you can